Hello. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce the consonants. Usually, we do not change the sound of the consonants either, but there are some exceptions. Let's see them. K, C, C, Ko, Ku. As you can see, all writing with C. If you want to make the sound Tha, you have to write it with Z, as we can see here. Tha, The, Thi, Tho, Thu. Let's go with the G. For this sound is Ga, Ge, Gi, Go, Gu. If you want to pronounce Ge and Gi, you have to write it like this. I have two examples here. Guerra, which means war. Siguiente, which means next. So if you want to make a different sound, pronouncing the U, you have to put 2 points on the U. Ge, Gi will become in Gue, Gui. Let's see two examples. Vergüenza, which means embarrassment, or cigüeña, which means stork. The H in Spanish has no sound. Let's see two examples. Ahora or hoy. Ahora means now. Hoy means today. With the L is very simple. The same pronunciation than in English. But when we put a double L, we pronounce it elle, which is the same sound that the Y. Let's see two examples. Pollo, which means chicken, or playa, which means beach. As we said before, we have ñ. Ñ is pronounced ña, ñe, ñi, ño, ñu. Let's see a couple of examples. España, which means Spain. The pronunciation is kind of putting like an N and a Y together, España, but a little bit quicker, España. Let's go with the Q. Qua, que, qui, quo, cu. The Q in Spanish is always follows by a U. And as you see, this is the different pronunciation. Qua, que, qui, quo, cu. A couple of examples. Que, which means what? Quirófano, which means operation room. Let's go with the R. The simple R is like the sound in English, R. But if we put a double R, we have to roll in the R. Famous Spanish rolling R that is very difficult for people who doesn't speak Spanish. Let's see how it sounds, the double R. Rrr, rrr. That's the sound. You have to put your tongue between your paladar and your teeth. Rrr, rrr. Let's see some examples. Barato, which means cheap. As you see, normal, one R, normal sound. Perro, dog, double R, rolling the R. Perro. Rata is one R, but when we have one R at the beginning of the word, it's pronounced like double R. So rata means rat. Or raro, as you see, it has only two R's. Raro. But as I said before, if it's at the beginning of the word, it's double R. So here in this word we have the two R's, double and single. Raro, which means rare or strange. Let's go with the V. You have to know that the V in Spanish is pronounced like B, the same sound. So, ba, be, bi, bo, bu. For example, vivir, which means to live. Or vaso, which means glass, like could be a glass of water. Vaso. Now, you can read in Spanish, even if you don't know what the meaning is, but you can read it.